Welcome to Apocalypse Manufacturing. I'm sitting here today in our large warehouse unboxing some of the coolest products ever constructed for your 4x4. So today, we're going to take a look at the 4-inch Gladiator lift kit made by Apocalypse. So when we're unboxing this 4-inch suspension kit, the first part of the suspension that we want to talk about, relocation brackets. You want your truck to pretty much drive stock, but you want it lifted. So you have to go back to the factory geometry. And the only way to do that is with relocation brackets, which come in the set. The red and black is not just for Deadpool, it's for this badass suspension kit. And what do I have here? I have the control arms. Look at the size of these bushings. They're absolutely huge. Better than those puny factory control arms. And best part, this thing is adjustable. You want the car to ride better? You want it to track better? We got you covered. Ooh, we knocked one out of the park with the steering stabilizer. You take anodized aluminum, that's heavy, heavy duty, and you add this to your Gladiator, oh my God. You ain't going anywhere out of lane going 120 miles an hour with this twin valve body. This thing is serious. You ever hear politicians say the buck stops here? Well, the bump stops here. What am I talking about? The fact that this set comes with 4 different bump stops. Look at these two. Steel bump stops, solid as heck, that go into the back of your Gladiator. Why? You just paid all that money for a lift. You don't want your fenders compromised at all. This stops your suspension from destroying the aesthetical value of your beautiful Jeep. And not just the back, we got some for the front. Solid aluminum, look at that. Holy crap, that is beautiful, strong as hell, and is going to make your suspension protected. 2 for the back, 2 for the front. Yeah, we thought of everything. I feel like a kid on Christmas Eve. I'm about to unbox something really cool. Heavy duty springs. This is what comes with the Apocalypse 4-inch suspension kit. You get 1, and you get 2. Just like Fox and Ready Lift, they only give you 2. You want 2 for the front to give a more cushiony ride. What they don't do is give you 2 for the back, which supports the weight of the vehicle. Well, guess what? We ain't like them. We're Apocalypse. We take everything to the extreme and make it more functional. So, with our kit, you get not 3, because that would make 0 sense, folks. You get 4. And think about this product. It's powder-coated red, so we've got to love that color. But also, because it's powder-coated, it could take years of salt spray and never be compromised. These things are not gonna rust. And you got 4 heavy-duty ones. Oh man, is there anything worse than uneven tire wear? Well, guess what? That's a thing of the past with this lift kit. Why? We have an adjustable track bar. This allows you to align your vehicle properly to ensure that the tire's getting worn out the exact same way. No more leaning. There's 1 from the front, and another for the back. And the best part is, this thing is made of cast iron. This is heavy duty stuff. This ain't going nowhere. Ooh, I'm gonna get a little pump on as we're going through this lift kit, huh? All right, my favorite, hands down, favorite part of this suspension system, it's gotta be the 2.4 shocks. Look at the sheer diameter of these things. They are absolutely monstrous. Bigger shock, better driving experience. If you look at a rough country, if you look at a Falcon, if you look at a Fox, they ain't looking like this. Your truck will come with 4 of these to put on there and change your ride forever. No doubt about it, Apocalypse, SoFlo Customs, we've been doing lifts and suspensions for over 13 years. We know exactly what we're doing. And now you can put this into your home, on your truck, and finally Get the SoFlo Apocalypse experience all for yourself. After watching this video and seeing the high quality product that we're making and the reputation that we have for doing this over 13 years, there's no reason to hesitate. It's time to go SoFloCustomParts.com right now and place your order for this badass 4-inch suspension system.